قرآنك ما أخردا.
Do you read the Quran?
Do you read the Quran?
ها مالين كستا أيان أخريا.
Yes, I read it daily.
واتي سورة آدوغو جعشهاي.
What's your favorite surah?
What's your favorite surah?
وحانوغو جعلهاي سورة الرحمن.
I love Al-Rahman.
وحمكا حفتدي سورة دها قرآنك.
Do you memorize anything?
Do you memorize anything?
ها قار كميدا سورة دها قرآنك.
Yes, some surahs.
Yes, some surahs.
يا كبراي.
Who taught you?
Who taught you?
بهاي أيا إبراي.
My father taught me.
My father taught me.
My father taught me.
ما فهمتها معنى ياشا أما قرآنك معنيه سا.
Do you understand the meanings?
Do you understand the meanings?
وحير أيان كفهما.
I understand a little.
I understand a little.
قرآنكو وهذا الكي إبي.
The Quran is the word of Allah.
The Quran is the word of Allah.
وانا هانون.
It is guidance.
It is guidance.
waxaa lagu soo dejiyey Nabi Muhammad naxariis iyo nabadgelyo korkiisa ha haatee.
It was revealed to the prophet, peace be upon him.
waxaan jecelahay inaan dhagaysto.
I love hearing it.
I love hearing it.
waxaan rabaa fasiraadiisa.
I want the explanation.
I want the explanation.
kama tagaayo weligay waan ku dhaganaanaya.
I won't leave it.
I won't leave it.
aad baad ugu mahadsan tahay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
ugu dambayn quraanka ma akhridaa ma ku dhaqantaa inaad dhagaysato ma jeceshahay ma ku waanisaa asxaabta ilaahay ha naga dhigo kuwii barta kuwana dhaqma allahumma ya amiin.